Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. If you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you for clicking. My subscribers and returnees, welcome and thank you so much. Okay, today we're going to continue our jacket. Okay, we're going to continue our jacket. We have a couple of things to work on. Anyway, I went ahead and did a couple of things too. The pattern also suggests it's optional to use a 1/4 inch thick shoulder pad. It's an optional. Okay, and then the design on the jacket, I think I'm gonna trace it on when I'm done, and then I'll do some beading work. And when I finish the beading work, I'll show it to you guys. It takes a while to do the hand beading work. Okay, so with this, I'll trace it on my jacket and then do some hand beading work. Actually, this is size 16, not for me. This is size 16. I've done the sleeves. Okay, and then I pin the hem. I only serge it. I serge it. Okay, let me open the whole thing up so you can see. Woo, getting pinned everywhere. I did the dot. I serge it. I did my 2 basting stitch. I hope you can see. From notch to notch, 2 basting stitch. Okay, and then as I said, I stitch it, iron it, and then pin the hem. I'm gonna do it by hand. Okay, and I didn't put interfacing either on this facing. I left everything plain. Okay, so both are done and ready to be sewn on. I've stitched the facing. Okay, the facing, the front facing to the back facing. So I'm going to stitch it today too. And then I have joined the jacket on the shoulders. The back and the front shoulder, I've joined it. Okay, so let me adjust myself, go back to the machine, and then pin it, and you see me stitch. Okay, so hold on, I'll be right back. Thank you. Hello there, I'm back. Now I have pinned the facing. I pinned the facing to the jacket. Okay, the back and the front. I'm gonna walk you through sewing one side, and then I'll come off and sew the other side. Okay, if you like, you can put, oh, I'm looking for the other end. You can put a mark at your 5/8 at the bottom. Okay, this is the bottom, so you can get it right. And please remember to pin all your notches, match them. Okay, so give me a minute. There we go. I'm gonna start from one end, and then I'll pass the neck, and then leave you by yourself. Make sure your seams are open, and don't forget to backstitch. Let me sit comfortably. When it comes to the circle, the bottom part, just take your time. Go slow, take your time so you can get the curve smooth. There we go. And 5/8. There we go. Make sure the shoulder seams are all open. I'm at the other side. I finish one side, round the neck, and now I'm going to the other side to the bottom part. As I said, just take your time. Don't feel like you have to go as fast as me. Just take your time. Making sure my seams are all open. And if you make a mistake, don't be afraid to take it apart and then re-sew it. This is a long one. Okay, this is it. I'm gonna come off, clip the corners, the neck, and the side, and I'll be back. Okay? There. That's the neck, shoulder, Gonna clip, excuse me, clip the curves as I said, and then I'll be back. See you. Hello there, I'm back. Okay. There. I put the facing for the front, the back. I've clipped the seam allowance, trim it off, and what do you call it? Iron it. So this is it. I clip and trim it down. Okay, so now I'm going to sew the side seams, and then next week we're going to put in the sleeves. Let me get myself together. Okay, there. Okay, I'm gonna sew the side seam. You don't have to watch me do that. And then because I don't have, I shouldn't say I don't have, I didn't put lining in it, so I'm gonna understitch. Gonna understitch starting from the curve, okay, and then all around to the other side. Okay, so I'll be back and then I'll show it to you. See you in a bit. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, now I did the front, side seam, facing. Now what we need to do is the sleeves and the hem, and then we are done. I hope you, yeah, so side seam, facing, center back, and front seams. And the shoulders, I join it. Okay, so it's all done, just the sleeves and then the hem. So that's what we will do next week. So thank you for watching. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye for now. Bye. Thank you.